Welcome back. Today's topic is something many English learners struggle with: confidence when speaking English.
Yes, many people know English, but they are afraid to speak it.
They worry about mistakes, grammar, or pronunciation.
But confidence is more important than perfection.
The first step to confidence is accepting mistakes.
Mistakes mean you are learning.
Every fluent speaker was once a beginner.
Step 2. Start small.
Don't start with long conversations.
Start with short sentences.
Simple phrases like, "Good morning," "How are you?" "Thank you."
Small wins build confidence.
Practice with people who support you.
Friends, classmates, or online communities.
You can also practice alone by recording your voice.
Step 4. Focus on communication, not grammar.
Your goal is to communicate.
Not to speak perfect English.
If people understand you, you are doing well.
Your mindset matters.
Instead of saying, "My English is bad," say, "My English is improving."
Confidence starts in your mind. Daily confidence exercise.
Here's a simple daily exercise.
Speak English for 5 minutes a day.
Talk about your day, your plans, or your thoughts.
Do this daily, and confidence will grow naturally. Confidence is built, not born.
Speak even when you're nervous.
Because confidence comes after action.
Keep practicing and believe in yourself.
Your English voice matters.
Let me share a real story.
Sure, go ahead.
I once met a student who understood English very well.
But they were afraid to speak?
Exactly. They stayed quiet because they didn't want to sound wrong.
That's very common.
One day, they decided to speak just one sentence a day.
And what happened?
After 1 month, speaking felt normal, not perfect, but natural.
Confidence is built through repetition.
The more you speak, the less fear you feel.
Silence increases fear. Practice reduces it.
Body language matters.
Yes, stand straight, breathe, and speak slowly.
When your body is relaxed, your voice is clearer.
Confidence is not only in words, it's in posture.
Many learners worry about accent.
But accent is not the problem.
Clear pronunciation is more important.
Many successful speakers have accents.
Practice scenario.
Okay,
Imagine you meet someone new.
you can say, "Hi, nice to meet you. I'm learning English."
Simple, honest, and confident.
Many people treat English like a school test.
But English is a communication tool.
You don't need perfect grammar to be understood.
Here's a 7-day confidence challenge.
Day 1. Speak alone. Day 2, Day 3. Speak with a friend. Day 5, Day 6. Speak in public or online. Day 7. Record yourself speaking for 3 minutes.
By the end of the week, you will feel improvement.
Final motivation. Extended ending.
Fear will always try to stop you.
But growth begins outside your comfort zone.
Speak even when your voice shakes.
Because confidence comes after action.
And your English journey is worth it.
Let's talk about some myths.
Like thinking you must be fluent before speaking.
Exactly, that's a big myth.
Another myth is believing people are judging you.
Most people are focused on themselves.
Slow speech equals clear speech.
Many learners speak too fast because they are nervous.
Speaking slowly actually sounds more confident.
Pause, breathe, think.
Confidence and fluency are different.
You can be confident without being fluent.
And fluency grows faster when confidence is high.
Using simple words is smart.
Some learners try to use difficult words.
But simple words are powerful.
Clear English is better than complex English.
What about speaking in meetings or presentations?
Preparation is the key.
Practice your opening sentence.
A strong start builds instant confidence.
Practice with real-life situations.
Ordering food, asking for directions, small talk.
Real practice builds real confidence.
Here's a mental exercise.
Before speaking, say to yourself, I am allowed to make mistakes.
This reduces pressure instantly.
Confidence doesn't come overnight.
But small progress adds up.
One sentence today is better than silence.
Your voice matters.
Your English doesn't need to be perfect.
It just needs to be used.
Speak today, improve tomorrow.
Confidence begins with courage.